Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. It's Motivational Monday, so our motivational saying for today is, if you look for positive things in life, you will find them. We should always try to be looking for the positive and finding the good in every situation. So that's a great way to start your week, is by thinking of something positive and making it through the week looking for all the good things. Now, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have chicken patty on a biscuit with fruit juice and milk, and for lunch, we're going to have Crispitos with corn. Tomorrow for breakfast is yogurt and muffin, and for lunch, it's cheeseburger and fries. I had a little birthday mix-up last Friday, so I wanted to make sure that I recognized we had one special birthday I left off last Friday. That's Sabra Ray. This weekend's birthdays, we had Landon Quivers and Madeline Shuttlesworth. All right, and today's birthdays are Michaela Burness and Justin Douglas. So happy birthday to all these birthday friends. We still have the Stuff the Bus toy drive going on. We're at the very end of that. So please send in that new toy to the library today if you have it. I think our pickup is actually tomorrow, so you might be able to squeeze one or two more toys in tomorrow before the bus picks up first thing in the morning. So it's the very end for that. If you have donated a toy, you will get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on this Friday, December 11th. Some important dates. Tuesday, we will have the Stuff the Bus pickup. Wednesday, we have grade level meetings during extended PE, and we have the school spelling bee at 9 a.m. Thursday is an exciting day. We're going to have picture day. Everyone will be in their school uniform for that. Friday, all students and staff who donate a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt on this day. And Friday, December 18th is our Feel Good Friday. We're going to have class celebrations at 1:30, and it's going to be pajama day. Lots of festivities that day. A couple of reminders for the teachers. For student book requests from the library, students may not request new books until the other books have been turned in. So if you have books from the spring, please get those turned in as soon as possible. Students need to be checking out books on their reading level, not way below it. Also, after reading the book, students should be taking an AR test on it. We will begin an AR campaign in the very near future. We can't wait to see which class is going to be our top readers. We have a shout out this morning to Johnny Ramos from Miss Bertolino. So shout out to Johnny Ramos for being generous and being the first student in her class to bring in a toy for the toy drive. Awesome, Johnny, way to go. Next, we have a shout out to Naomi Knock. She is recognized by Miss Curd and Miss Linscomb. And Naomi found some money in the hallway and turned it into her teacher, Miss Curd. She did the right thing, and she tried to help the person that lost the money. Excellent job, Naomi. Way to have great character, Naomi. Now, we have some AR superstars. These people have met their quarterly goal already. This would be Sandra Teacom in Miss Barnes, Johnny Ramos in Miss Bertolino's, and Madison Dubose in Miss Langford. Now, we still have quite a few weeks left in the quarter, and we have plenty of time for you to make those AR goals. So, keep up the good work, folks. Now, we have some iReady leaders that were announced Friday afternoon, and we're going to announce those again in case you missed it. So for first grade, the top percent of the class with 30 minutes. For reading, we have Miss Duberg and Miss Hogan with a tie at 68%. And math, Miss Duberg at 52%. Second grade, top percent of class with 30 minutes. We have Miss White in reading with 60% of her class. And in math, we have a tie between Miss White and Miss Curd. For third grade, our top time earners, in reading, it's a tie between Miss Bertolino and Miss Peralta. They both had 52%. In math, Miss Hamlin is wearing it out at 67%. For fourth grade, percent of the class with 30 minutes. For reading, Miss Bauer has 50%, and math, Wolf has 62%. So keep it up. And fifth grade, woo, look how big those numbers are. For reading, we have Miss Heichman with 75%. And math, we have Miss Heichman with 70%. So I'm certain that in fifth grade, Miss Barnes also has something to do with that math. So way to go, fifth grade. So there's some great numbers. Next, we have the lesson leaders, the most first grade lessons passed. In reading, we have Kylan Montgomery, and in math, we have Kylan Montgomery. In second grade, most lessons passed, we have Isaiah Bindall, and we have Mason Robinson. In third grade, in reading, we have Koa Busby, and in math, we have Braylon Jones. In fourth grade, for reading, we have Justin Geitz, and for math, we have Travis Harvey. And finally, fifth grade, most lessons passed. In reading, we have Colin Chandler, and in math, we have Willie D. William Dempster. Way to go, students. Keep on rocking those lessons. That is all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.